Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from BRUU. This is a monthly gourmet tea subscription. It says join the adventure at the top, and it also says there's tailored teas from some of the most exquisite plantations from around the world. So let's see what's in this month's box. So the Discover tea is from China. And then there's all sorts of information about that particular tea. It's a black tea, tells you location, country, soil type, all sorts of facts. And then inside, there's always a tea that looks like this in the gold container, a little gold packaging. It says Discover, and that always matches this card. So you get one from that particular location, and there's a bunch of other teas in here. And they always come very nicely clipped with these cute little gold clips, but as you can see, it kind of got disheveled in mail. But let's see here. We got a jasmine green tea, so that goes with this. And on this card, it tells you all about the tea, why they love it, where it's from. So it's pretty cool. So it says it's a delicate green tea with a light floral, refreshing, and natural taste of jasmine. You can kind of see what that looks like in there. Some jasmine tea. The next tea is Grandma's Garden. And it says it's a roller coaster of taste, peaking at sweet notes and dipping into a slight tangy aftertaste. It's a treat for your taste buds. And this one's a UK tea. There's all sorts of little bits of little buds and maybe fruit in there. That looks really good. I bet I'm gonna like that a lot. And then the last one is Rose Amour Black. And that one is also from China. And it's a black tea with a sweetness of rose. Very cool. You can kind of see a little bit of the specs in there. Then there is promo code for this little sample of chocolate they included. I think I remember that from last time. There was like a little treat in there as well, which I love that they send that. And I've never had this. It's called Oh So Good Chocolate. No sugar added, and it has live cultures, 70% dark raspberry. So very excited to try that. Kind of see what it looks like too. It's in a little clear wrapper. That's cute. Looks delicious. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription for BRUU, it's a really fun and educational tea subscription. I will put all their information below in the description box, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.